Now that you've got my pricing calculator, you can easily work out just how many clients you need to cover your cost of doing business and your salary. Once you've done that, it's time to start marketing. I know just how overwhelming this can be when we're trying to wear all of the different hats within our business. And that's why I've created this amazing bundle of templates that is going to make it so much quicker and easier for you. This bundle includes a pricing and information guide. It includes social media templates from banners to model calls. It also includes marketing worksheets that are going to help you strategize your weekly, monthly, and yearly marketing plans. This is going to help you create an incredible first impression for any potential new client, as well as really make your brand stand out from the rest. I've also included 6 ebooks. These are going to cover the marketing essentials, websites and blogs, emails, local networking, as well as the power of word of mouth marketing. Also, one other bonus, I've got for you a workbook so that you can keep track of all of your takeaways and actions. Doing this is going to help you really put your business on track. It's going to free up so much of your time and be a complete game changer for your business.